Let's see if we can get some photos here. Got something. Oh wow, I got a twofer. Oh wow. Nice fish. Oh crap. All right. Got something on the light rod. Oh yeah. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Fighting one right now.
Well, it looks like you have a beautiful day out there.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
We have the same sky, yes.
So I got, either I'm on the bottom or I got something.
Well, that's good. Is it still moving?
I don't know. Let me see if I can prop you up
Maybe it's
here.
a tire.
What's that floating out there?
Seagulls. Oh, that's in the way. So I don't know what I got here. I might be just snagged on the bottom.
So you by yourself again?
Yep.
I guess you are.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you fell down. Guess I gotta find a phone holder. So I don't know what's going on here.
Oh, man, I should be out there with them.
Yeah.
Well, it's coming in. Whatever it is.
Fish or not?
I don't know. It's not fighting.
That sounds off.
Yeah. Okay, now here this one says it contains no fruit juice. But I can't see it.
So this is that little light rod.
So you...
Oh, wow. Getting tired bringing this one up.
I don't know. Just give it to me. I'll just...
Green apple. Artificial flavors.
We lost the sound.
Oh, you did?
He's hooking. Trying. Here you go.
Okay, sound's back on.
Alright.
So I don't know what I got here.
Oh, you do have something.
I don't know. It's coming up now.
Alright.
Mermaid.
But in this little rod, it just went nuts.
Why didn't you catch it on the big rod?
Well, I just throw the little one out with a little lure, and you know, every once in a while I catch something on it.
Oh, is he deep?
Oh yeah, it was 200 feet. That was up.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
What do you got?
Oh crap. Don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. Oh, shit. Oh. Wait a minute, you're looking at me.
Oh,
Look at this. Look at the size of my hand.
man. Boy, that's a nice, you got a nice one there.
Look, keep it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, that could really do it. Oh, nice one.
Nice.
Wow.
Is that the color?
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow.
Huh.
Look at how beautiful.
Oh, no wonder it was heavy.
No kidding.
Wow. Oh, that's exciting.
Oh,
Oh.
No, it ain't. I should be with another rod.
God, I'm beat.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Very good. So, you deserve a beer after that one.
Oh yeah, that's two. I got another one. But look at the top of the cooler with this one on there. Wait a minute, let me flip.
Oh, my. Oh, wow.
Wow.
That is nice.
Nice. Oh, that makes your day. You work for this. Yes. You
That
earned
is
that.
nice.
You earned that.
Keep going.
Be out there.
All right, we'll catch you later. I gotta clean up and get this one put away.
All right. Have fun, man.
All right, I'm tired.
All right. Take care. See
Bye.
ya.